Right, so we've got a new coffee machine, a much better.
Near left edge.
Yeah. So first we will. I'm going to get you to come over to this side.
Near bottom left edge.
Okay, we're going to shut that up.
Near bottom
Turn
edge.
this off.
Near bottom speech off.
Yeah, you shut up. Right, now this is the grinder. So we're going to have everything over here. Now, how I don't know if we'll need to, but how often do you use the kettle?
Not often.
I was going to say we could possibly, it might not be necessary, but if it is an option if we need to put it away for a bit, like out of the way.
Yeah.
Or the toaster is near the air, on the other side of the microwave.
Okay.
It's not plugged in, but
Yeah.
that's not fine. I already got one video of me making the curry.
Oh, very good.
Scissors are here.
Watch out. Do it, open it.
Hey?
Do it, open it. Yeah, I'll do it.
Oh, scissors are here if we need it.
Oh, no. Right. It's really fine. There we go.
I hope this is like mine.
Oh, it's fucking plug-in grinder?
Yeah.
The one I used to have fucking had a windy thing.
Did it?
Yeah.
Well, this is a little different from mine.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
I've never seen a plug-in grinder before.
Yeah, mine is a little different. Oh, so that must be how you... Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, alright.
Oh, how does it work?
I will have a look in a minute.
Oh yeah, you gotta take that.
See off.
Yep. What are you doing, hey? Hey? You'd be waiting for dinner. You're gonna have your dinner in a minute. In a minute. Come on, back out. Come on, Jesse. Come on, Jesse. Jesse, back here. Quick, quick. Come on, out the kitchen. Good boy.
Oh, what up?
Out the kitchen.
There it is. Nice empty bin too.
Come on, out the
Yeah, all
Out
fine.
the kitchen, Jesse. Good boy.
I need to put that in the bin now.
Out the kitchen.
He's very intrigued, isn't he? Okay, now we're going to find... Where's my little power board? That one. What's that power board doing? Here it is, I've got it. There's plenty of room on this thing. Okay.
Can't wait to try these beans.
Oh, we will do so soon. Oh, you got the coffee machine?
That's right. I presume this is it.
You need scissors?
No. I will break it off inside. Fucking looks big.
It's not really. It's just a little box. Oh, there's my phone. I have scissors here.
Alright, I should be okay with that.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
Yeah, I should be okay.
Check it out.
I mean, I don't mind using scissors, but if I can, I can. Kind of enjoy it.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Was it on? This is it. Okay. Come on. There we go. Come on.
basically here.
Speech off. Stop take picture. Stop recording video.
Don't do that.
Speech off.
Come on. It's good.
Yeah. Oh, my dinner won't be ready till like 8 o'clock.
Oh shit.
That's okay.
Oh, I'll just eat at the same time as you eat.
Alright.
I'll just eat. I mean, I'll
Oh,
probably
if I
eat
fuck that up.
a little bit before that, but oh, you're fine, dude. Don't stress about it. It's all good. Okay. Well, I'll just put it in the box.
No, we shouldn't.
One piece of sticky tape off. Where's the other bit? So the instructions are on the top.
Alright. You want them any less special?
Maybe in the
Alright. I have
my niece and all that fucking shit.
Yep, I have one like that too.
That's where all my shit fucking just crap goes.
Yeah, mine too. I have one like that.
One drawer that everything just goes into.
I have one of those.
Okay, so then we had a right. I hate these fucking you know the cardboard things. The
Yeah.
fucking stupid. I tell you, I don't know how many trees they'd cut down to fucking do this. Fucking shit. They're not environmentally friendly, but so that's one for everything else. Oh, probably should have started. Yep. Okay. One coffee machine.
Okay.
Make sure we don't put it.
So let's have a look here. Get all that yucky shit off. And over up. There's all that. And yes, it is the exact same as mine. Exactly the same.
Oh, it's got something with it. Oh, yes, that is a thing. Does it have a tamper? You don't have
Yep,
a
it is.
thing to put the.
There should be a little plastic thingy there. Yep, that's right. That's what you put the bit there.
Yeah, you bang it down.
Yep. There should be a little plastic thing. Super.
Where are you, little plastic thing? I remember I had one of those too, but I unfortunately lost mine.
Oh,
Shit.
you got the plug there. Oh, there's a little. There should be a little.
The tamper yet.
Hmm.
And nothing dropped out.
Let's use a spoon if we need to.
Oh, no,
Oh, it should come with one. Mine did.
Is that?
It's
A fucking, you know, the little plug thing?
This has got some foam there, like it'll be in something.
Not in the plastic bit where the machine was. Not in the, I don't think it's in the phone thing.
You never know.
And this little fucking, it's not in here. Not in the little
Come with one.
phone bit.
It's like, I mean, not, it doesn't make any You just have to use a spoon.
I prefer flat.
Oh, me too.
Alright, well,
100% me too.
that's annoying.
Mine came with it.
That's really annoying.
Didn't drop somewhere.
Oh, yeah, thanks. I didn't hear anything drop though. You can check the box. Why are you quivering, Jesse? Why are you quivering, Jess? It just doesn't appear to be there, huh? Maybe it's inside that filtery thing, that bag, the thing with the filter in it.
There's nothing there.
No, in that thing, in the... Oh, just the filters in there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's annoying. I hate that. Oh, well, I mean, you can use the back
Oh,
of the spoon or something.
Yeah, it's gonna have to. Oh, damn, that's shit.
Fucking annoying. Because, I mean, I don't know how easy they are to buy.
Oh, yeah, I don't think you can. I'll do have a spare one at home. Oh, that's bizarre.
Yeah, it's definitely not in the box. We used to have one for the coffee machine.
Well, you'll never find that.
Yeah, no, I know, because it's fucking... Oh, I think this is cool. I like this.
Yeah, me too.
It's cool.
I reckon.
Oh, and it's got a milk.
Yeah, I don't bother with it. I think you have to buy something separate for that.
Yeah, you'd probably buy a jug or something for it.
Yeah. Well, that's shitty that the little thing is not there.
Alright.
Okay, well, that's okay. We'll work with it.
I was just supposed to fucking tamper it, bang, 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 bang,
Yeah.
bang, on the filter thing.
To do something else. I have one at home. An extra one at home. Yeah, that's bizarre, that. Okay, cool. Yeah, right.
It's annoying. Where's this going? Yep, looks right. Yeah, that looks right. Cool.
Alright, shall I get the beans?
Yeah, let's try.
Okay.
Oh, that's really annoying about that.
Oh, I know.
I wish we could find it. Oh,
Okay.
oh, it's got sticky. Do we need?
No, you have to get rid of it.
Okay. It's got sticky on the on that little tray thing.
You can certainly get rid of that.
That one. Oh, they smell really good. Like
Yep.
fresh beans.
They are.
They smell so good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yum. They smell amazing.
Yep.
Yeah, that's really annoying. I can't believe that.
We'll have another look through the box when I take it
Yeah,
to the
we'll have
table and sit down, but I'll have a look when you feed the dogs.
Yeah. I really don't think it's in there.
Yeah, I tend to agree with you there. Do it spare at home
Yeah.
from another machine.
Yeah.
Alright. Can you take that?
Oh yeah, yeah, I'll put it somewhere. Anyway. It's okay, Peachies.
Oh yeah, they're not gonna like this grinder either.
No, they probably won't.
No.
That's alright, they'll be fine. That's a lot better one. Oh, the box is on the seat that you sit on.
That's fine, we'll have a look. Now if you want to sort their while I go on the beans, then you can sort their food out.
Yeah.
So get them a little distracted.
Yeah. Do you do that?
What's up?
What they rolled?
Oh,
But when they get their food and that's their fucking bowl, it's stupid. Where's your bowl? There's one bowl. Oh, sorry. Who the fuck was that? Sorry. Sorry, Luke.
Netherlands.
Sorry. Oh, fucking hell. How did you do that? We'll do your food. And then we go. Right?
Hey.
Oh, that's good to know.
Well, I'm just looking down for a container. Where do you keep your...
Oh, give me 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Outside, look. Wait. 2 seconds. Wait, Jesse. Wait, Jesse.
Oh, here we go, I've got one.
Alright.
There's a big long one, is that okay to use?
It's a plastic one?
Yep.
Yeah, it's fine.
Not one of
It's
the
got
Leslie's?
little vents in there, in the
Yep.
vents. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, so not one of Leslie's?
No,
Oh, wonderful. Alright, I'll use that.
no, it's fine.
Perfect.
I probably should get a jar if you don't mind long term, but
The jar.
yeah, a jar full of coffee.
Why?
Oh, right, because I think it might be better than
Not necessarily.
maybe not.
Doesn't make a difference.
Okay.
As long as it's in the fridge,
Yeah.
it will be fine.
What happens to if it's not in the fridge?
It just doesn't taste as good.
Okay.
Um,
How long does it last, you reckon?
It won't last forever as long as it's in the fridge.
Oh, okay. Oh, it smells yum.
It's really yum. Is it different to mine? So you have to probably. I usually take mine's in 2 parts, my grinder, so I have to take it out to kind of wash it. This one doesn't work like that. Alright, now if you can get me, where's that little, where's the filter thing?
It's on the in the machine. On the machine.
And I just need a, I'm going to get a little spoon, I think. You can grab me a little spoon.
Yep.
And we can also just pat it down with a spoon.
Huh?
The coffee, we can pat it down with the back of the spoon.
Yeah.
It will do.
Yeah.
And I'll then use that spoon to get it out. So, this should help.
do it back into the container or whatever.
What's that?
When you put the, I don't know, you know, when you flatten it out, I'd probably do whatever container so it goes back in.
I have the lid underneath the filter.
Oh, it smells so good, Bob. It's so good.
Yes.
How many beans can you do at a time, you reckon?
I do about 8 scoops.
Oh,
Yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get.
it goes towards the milk frother.
Yeah. Ah! Gotcha. I'm gonna put this away for now. You can just sit that in the fridge for a bit.
Oh, there's a lot of much in there.
That's a bigger container, that's probably one.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, we found it!
In the water fucking tank.
Oh, yay!
That's the one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Put that somewhere safe.
Oh, yeah, don't lose that, Jesus. Yeah, so that, the end scoops it, your coffee?
Yep.
Oh, yeah,
Yep.
that's, there it is.
Actually, just put it next to the machine because I'll be using it later in a bit.
Yeah.
And I'll take care of it.
Oh, how exciting! I can't believe we found it.
I know.
So good.
Get rid of that little bit there. Well, that won't do. Now you can just go sit down and have your coffee.
I want to see how it works.
Oh, sure. I'll show you in a second. I'll just fill up the...
Reservoir.
Mhm.
Don't they call it that? I think they do.
Well, yeah, I'd call it a tank.
Yeah. I think they actually call it reservoir. I think.
Right.
I think. I don't know.
Don't press anything just yet.
I won't. Well, I'm not. Just...
Well, actually, stick this one on the back. Okay.
How many cups does it do, you reckon?
Oh, I'm gonna just do one at a time.
Oh, there's the 10.
Yeah. And so have a look at the buttons. And the first one on the left, it turns it on.
Okay.
And the second one brews it.
Mhm.
And the last one is the milk frother bit. I'm not going to worry about that. I need you to go sit down.
Yeah.
I need you to get these puppy dogs out of the kitchen.
Come on. Come on.
I'm going to do your milk first.
Alright. Come on, puppies. Alright. And now we're
A bit
going
more
to throw
cramped in here, but
down
anyway.
to the box.
Now I remember mine being in there now.
I'm thinking, oh geez, I can't believe that. It's not good about that. I mean, it's fine, but it's annoying.
Just got a little.
Watch out! No, you can't have it again. I'm gonna put this in the recycle. Oh, are you finished, Luca? Are you finished, Jesse?
Enough.
Have you finished your dinner, Jesse? Have you finished your dinner? You have. I'm assuming you finished your work. Come on. Come on. here. I mean, there's a thing. That's all right.
Start. High power. 1 minute.
Alright, here he goes. Oh, hang on. What's going on here? Oh, it's going on.
I'm just gonna grab the bin and put the. There's a leaf there.
It's taking its time, doing whatever the fuck it's doing.
No. Don't leave me, please.
What are you turning on? I did plug you in.
Good.
Thank you. Well, I thought we were going to have another disaster then.
Oh no. No, no, good.
Overflow. It's a process, but move.
Watch out, Jesse. Good boy. Watch out, buddy. You. Here, buddy. Come here.
There's your coffee.
Come here, buddy.
You got it?
Thanks.
Yes. Oh, no.
Jesse, what are you doing, mate?
Oh.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, Jesse.
Alright, now I'm going to make mine.
Here you come. Jesse.
Speech 20. Face near. Face 20. Take picture. Pause. Rotate. Stop recording.